Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create poll on WhatsApp. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. From the chats section, go to the conversation where you want to create a poll. Now tap on the paperclip icon on the message box. In the pop-up menu you will see the new option, Poll. If you don't see this option, you need to update your WhatsApp app. Now tap on it. Type in the question you want to ask. Then add options as the answers. Add as many options as you like. You can rearrange the options by sliding the 3 lines. When you are done, tap on the send button below. That's it. Your poll has been created. Now people can choose the option they like. You can check the vote details by tapping on View Votes. To delete the poll, long press on the poll. If you tap on the bin icon from the top, the poll will be deleted. So in this way, you can create poll on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.